I don't know, what color is it? Peach? Alex, get up from under there.
Have a drink. Dad,
Yeah.
this color is peach.
It's peach?
Yeah.
Do you like that color? Good. Hey Alex, what are you doing? Chair?
This is brown.
Let's see. No, what color is that?
Black.
Yes, that is black. You're right.